Did you know that in 1986 an entire village went to sleep and never woke up? On August 21st, Lake Nyos in Cameroon became a silent killer. Without warning, this peaceful volcanic lake burped up a massive cloud of carbon dioxide gas. The invisible death cloud rolled down the mountainside at 60 miles per hour. It swept through 3 villages like a ghost, suffocating everything in its path. What rescuers found the next morning still haunts them today. Over 1,700 people and 3,500 animals lay exactly where they had been. A man still holding his cup of tea. Children frozen mid-play. Families sitting around dinner tables as if time had simply stopped. The carbon dioxide was so heavy it pushed all the oxygen out of the air. People didn't even know they were dying. They just quietly fell asleep forever. Scientists call it a limnic eruption. The lake had been storing deadly gas for decades in its deep waters. When it finally released, it created one of nature's most terrifying silent massacres. The lake is still there, still dangerous, still waiting.